Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are staying as safe as you can and that you're doing okay, like mentally. I know it's such a crazy time at the moment. There's so much fear going on. It feels weird like doing a video on clothes, you know, when there's so much going on at the moment. But it's like we all have to keep working and keep doing what we do, you know, in order to sort of stay sane as well. And so yeah, I just wanted to like mention obviously what is going on at the moment at the start of this video. It just feels weird to sort of ignore it, but yeah, I hope you're all safe. I hope you're all as healthy as you can be at the moment. On the positive side, I felt like what we all need right now is a little bit of distraction, a little bit of escapism, and just, you know, like something to watch. So I had ordered some things from Zara recently. I haven't done a Zara haul for ages. Like I tend to just pick like one or two bits here and there when I go to Zara, but recently they have had a lot of things that have caught my eye, and so I placed an order online recently. I have got a box that I haven't opened properly yet, so it's a bit of an unboxing. Ooh. And you know, why don't we just have a look at some stuff that I bought, and hopefully it will distract you from life just for a few minutes. I'll also style the items that I'm going to show you guys because I always enjoy doing that. There's one thing that I got in store, and I was actually with Susie from Hello October, who's here on YouTube too. I'll link her down below. She totally enabled me to get this like white, like off-white, sort of like ecru colour, like pleather jacket. Oh my god, I saw it in the store and she was like, oh, I've got that too. And I was like, oh, how is it, like how does it fit? And I was like, I have to get it. So I actually got it in a size extra large because I love that like dad fit, you know, it's like too big, so it really fits nice and loosely like over the shoulders. Oh, I love it. I feel like it looks so much more expensive than it is. It's not cheap. It was still £49, but for me it's worth it because I'm always in leather jackets. Like it's just completely my style, so I feel like I'll obviously get loads of wear out of it. And I'm in love. I'm really excited too because I can take the label off now because I've been saving it for like a video. But I think this fit is so nice, and I'm really glad also that I saw it in store, because if I'd have seen it online I probably wouldn't have got extra large, but it's the perfect size for me. And I've got these huge jeans on which are a bit balloony, but it's fine. And it's kind of sad, isn't it? Because I've got these things, but it's like I don't know when I'm going to be able to like leave. Like I know we can leave to walk about and like go on a jog. Other than that, I mean, it's just you guys who are seeing it, so yeah. You know, one thing I did need? Another jacket. But come on, I saw this, this sort of pleather, oh my god, like oversized, what would you call it, like blazer? Oh, yes. Oh, I love you. Look at it. What size did I get it in? It doesn't say. Size small. Because it's like an oversized fit. Oh, it fits perfectly. It's perfect. I've just been eyeing it up in the box. Like I literally had not tried it on yet. This is perfect. And I feel like once it gets a bit warmer, it's probably not going to be like, it's something that you get quite hot in quite quickly. But I mean, I hope actually that this trend will come back again for this autumn winter. This would look so nice belted too. It's got, oh, it's a real pocket there. I thought it was a faux pocket. Hey, you know another thing I needed? Another blazer. I saw this bright pink blazer, and I feel like if you know me and my style, you're gonna be like, what are you doing? You know, sometimes with Scandi style, they'll be very minimal and then have this one really bright pop of colour piece. It just made me think of that. I got it in a size small. It's really oversized style. It's £59. What I was going to say was I got it thinking I'm going to try it on. If it doesn't work, I'm obviously going to just return it. Oh, I love it though. I really like it actually. I think it looks so good too with jeans. Oh, I really like it. Oh, again, the fit is so nice. Like, it's really comfortable. I love the shoulders on it. It's really tailored. And slouchy and long. Like, for me though, I'm about 5'3". It is a bit long actually. Can you see? So like my feet are here, so I feel like it is actually a bit long. But I feel like it would look nice with like a skirt. So when it gets a bit warmer, like a denim skirt with this would look really nice. I think maybe not for me with like trousers, or unless I have a heel. But in real life actually it's a bit more of like a magenta-y pink on camera. I sort of prefer the pink it is on camera. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Keep, return. So my next piece sounds so formal. The next thing I picked up was inspired by Melissa's Wardrobe, who is on Instagram. I don't think she's on YouTube. I might be wrong. I don't think she is, but I follow her on Instagram. I love her. She is a stylist. She is just so influential. Like everything that I see her get from Zara, I'm like, I need that. Simply need it. So I'll link her down below. But so yeah, she wears a lot of sort of bodies like this. And I think she's got this one. It was one of those things where like, I knew she had something like this, so I just looked it up on the website. And so I'll obviously do a little cutaway, but it's got this cutout here, which I think makes it look a lot more designer side than like high street side. And as you can see, one sleeved, £25.99. Which I think is good as long as it fits okay, so I'm just hoping it fits me okay. But yeah, I just wanted to like introduce more bodies into my wardrobe because they're just so flattering. Oh, I'm so excited about these. So I got some, I'm obsessed with wide leg trousers, and it's funny because I feel like on my height and on my frame, they maybe wouldn't be the most flattering thing, but I just love them. Like, I don't know, I just sort of don't care if they're flattering or not. I just really love the look of wide leg trousers. It's the colour that I love to wear, and I really like the bottom too. It's like stitched. Why am I so short? Really hope they fit. Ah, I forgot I got these. Oh yeah, okay. So these trousers I kept like, I put in my basket and then I took them out, and then I kept like going back to them, and I was like, they're just so nice because the fastening is asymmetrical. It's like that. Wait. Hopefully I'll show you guys on anyway, obviously, but yeah, they're just a really interesting fastening at the top, and it's quite different. Tapers back in a bit, so different to me because I feel like I've got a lot of wide leg trousers but not a lot that are a bit smarter. These are, that's why I kept taking them out of my basket, £79.99. So if they don't fit well, they're going straight back. I feel like if they're perfect on, then I'll keep them. If they're slightly off at all, I'll just return them. So I got another body, which, wow, this is so soft. It's really nice. This was £12.99, just a good staple to have. Like, you know, it's a bit similar to the one that I'm wearing at the moment. I just wanted more of these, just nice simple tops. I also feel like they're quite nice to film in. I'm often like running out of tops to film in and that are comfortable to film in. I don't have that much else to say about it, but hoping it fits okay. Got it in a size small, but it does feel nice and stretchy. I got it in another colour too. So I got it in this nice nude colour, which is, I do wish it was a bit more of the beige sort of nude. It is a bit of a peachy nude, isn't it? I prefer beige. I feel like it makes you look a lot more tanned. I'll try it on, see what I think. If not, obviously I can send it back. So it's so hard for me when I'm on Zara not to get indie things too. So I did pick up a few things. I thought I'd just show you a few of them because they're in the box, so why not? I saw these really cute pajamas. They do them in lots of different colours, but you know me, I love beige. They kind of remind me of like Victorian style pajamas, do you know what I mean? Like, I don't know why that's a good thing, but it's kind of cute. These little socks, look at the colour. They're so cute, and these were just £3.99. Okay, this dress is the cutest thing. Oh my god. She's also obsessed with dresses. Like, I've always tried not to push her into being extremely feminine as a little girl. Like, I try to be very like balanced with what she might like, what she might be drawn to. She's really like in a girly phase at the moment, so she loves dresses. And look at this, it's so pretty. It's like, she has a few dresses that are very like floral, and when she's wearing them I call her like a little cult baby because she looks like she's in a cult. This isn't as culty. I just thought it would be nice for like birthdays, like, you know, little celebration days, things like that. Then I also saw this, which is so versatile actually for a little toddler. I don't know if it's because I find jeans uncomfortable, but I've never really bought her like tight jean sort of clothes because I just don't think they're that comfortable, especially for toddlers. Like, they're running around all the time. So these are quite they're a bit like baggy and thin, and then obviously they have these like dungaree straps, so you could obviously like layer it with a little jumper or a t-shirt or whatever, and I just think they're really cute. And these were $14.99. She's wearing one dress at nursery today, but this is another one that I got. How cute is that? It actually looks so big. It looks like it's for like a 6-year-old. This was $19.99, quite pricey. But I think it's a good piece because it's warm, but you know, it's a bit of a transitional dress. I think she'll still fit into it in time for like this winter, autumn winter. So yeah, I picked that up for Indie Tool. Hope you guys liked this haul. Let me know what your favourite piece was. What is my favourite piece? Might have to be that jacket. The like light jacket. I'm obsessed. So yeah, I might send a few of these things back. Obviously I'll see when I get trying everything on. I'll link everything down below. I'll link what I'm wearing down below too. My top's from And Other Stories, and my jeans are from ASOS. And yeah. Hope you're all really, honestly, like, I really hope you're all doing well and coping okay, and we're all in this together, as cheesy as that is. But you know, it's like at least YouTube's here for a bit of like entertainment and somewhere to sort of escape to. Yeah, I don't know, I don't feel like plugging loads of different stuff, so I'm just gonna say bye. Thanks so much for watching, and I do have some other bits too from some different shops, so there might be another one coming. I never try and do too many hauls at once, but it's like accumulated. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.